What is going on, team, and welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I traded FOMC last night, and you are going to be watching a video of me live trading it. So overall, it was a very successful trading session, making around 3.9k trading FOMC. The reason for me even recording this video and recording myself last night trading the actual FOMC is because there is a lot of confusion around whether you should be trading FOMC or not. Now, obviously, you should not be trading the actual impact of FOMC, but should you be trading the volatility that FOMC brings or not? If you want to be trading the next FOMC release, this is a great example of how I myself trade FOMC. On long forward contracts off of this sell side sweep here, if we get it. Very high probability turtle soup, in my opinion, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a stab. Highly volatile market. It is FOMC. But again, FOMC can bring some really nice trade opportunities. So I think this is worth definitely a shot. Now, some people want these lows taken probably. I myself do not expect us to take those lows. This is a high risk trade considering the volatile circumstances. But FOMC can often bring out some high probability trades, even though a lot of people don't think so. It really can. So ideally, I want to see us wick down here and then no more than that. I want a wick down and a wick back up. That is what I'm expecting, and then higher prices. We do have a bearish SMT, and some people will probably call me insane for longing this, but just watch. Bit of an optimistic stop though. I would want it to be bigger, but this is what I am gonna do, and we are filled, targeting the previous swing high here. Again, I am long for cons. There we go. Here's the pump. Some people call it luck. I call it calculated risk. Now, in all fairness, this was very, very lucky. I did say that I wanted my stop to be larger, so this was very lucky. I'm gonna place one small, or take half my position off at this 1 minute gap above the high. I did not. There we go. First TP hit. Let's see if our second profit target can get hit. See if we can get that final push. Again, it is FOMC, very volatile, but the idea was completely correct. The stop was just a bit too tight. But let's see if we can hit our final profit target here. Look at the way we are respecting the constant encroachment of this wick, or around that area. No SMT yet, so I am expecting it to get hit. This is a risk-free trade as of this moment. Stop or is moved to break even. Should have done it when I took the partial, but it is what it is. If ES wants to take the high before NQ does, I'm going to take it off as soon as ES hits the high. Let's see if we get that final push towards the highs here. It looks like ES is going to hit the high before NQ does, and I am going to be taking it off as soon as that SMT forms. There we go. There's the SMT, and I'm out. Very successful. As you can see, we did get extremely lucky, but the idea was completely correct. Let's see if we are actually going to run the high. I think we might, but I'm simply just not going to trust an SMT during FOMC. There we go. We ran the highs. So that was all I had for FOMC. Very volatile market. A lot of people do not like to trade during this time, or at least a lot of retail guys does not like to trade around FOMC. But I myself like when there is a lot of volatility within the markets, and FOMC is just one of them days where there is so much volume. Now, if you are not experienced or you have not tried to trade FOMC before, I would highly recommend that you lower your leverage or trade paper the first few times that you try to trade FOMC. FOMC is not like any of the other news events, right? It happens over a longer period of time. So you will get highly volatile markets for a longer period of time. For example, with CPI, you get 5 minutes or 4 minutes of high volatility, but with FOMC, you get around an hour of extremely high volatility. You can really lose a lot of money doing FOMC if you have not tried to trade it before, and the volatility can really surprise you. But yeah, that is going to be it for this FOMC. I know there's a lot of talk about whether you should trade it or not. I personally trade it every single time. I avoid the morning sessions of FOMC, and I preach this everywhere. When you have very, very high impact news that is about to release, the day and the morning before those news happen will be choppy. You want to stay away from FOMC mornings. If you are going to trade on FOMC days, you should do it in the PM session. But yeah, that was a very, very nice turtle soup. We made just around $4,000, even taking the position off at the SMT. But I am just simply not going to take any chances with this volatile market. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if this is something that you want me to do more regularly when we have FOMC. So if you want any more of these FOMC videos, just let me know. They're really easy to record. Obviously, I'm just recording my PM session. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.